Okay guys, got the Dragon here, working on a 2005 Subaru Legacy with a misfire. Sorry about the dinging, that's because I got the door open. So, and sorry about the glare. Let's see what we got here. Okay, read codes, it'll say misfire. I think I found the problem. The problem is plugs with 100,000 miles on them. So, I'm going to I changed the plug and I'm gonna reset this and check it again. Stay tuned. Okay, so yeah, okay. Clear the codes. Okay. Processing. Great little code reader. I don't know, this thing's like 20 bucks. It does everything. Diagnostics has been cleared. Okay, so now some people do this different. I'm going to unhook this, start the car, and do it again. Stay tuned. Alright guys, you see the difference in the gap in the plugs? On the right is the old one I pulled out with the misfire, and then we're going to put new plugs in it, but I replaced it with one on the left, and we're about to see oh darn, I got the camera going, it's like upside down or something. Jeez, I hope you guys are alright. Sorry about that. Anyway, you see what I mean? So we're going to recheck it and see what happens. Stay tuned.